You've already had the breast MRI. We're going to get the genetic testing.
There are many doctors in the St. Louis area renowned for their dedication, and a few stand out as an inspiration.
We're going to get some blood tests, chest x-ray, EKG.
SSM Breast Cancer surgeon Dr. Jovita Oruwari
Deep breath in and out.
not only cares for patients,
Sounds great.
she cares about breaking down stereotypes and redefining the face of medicine.
Just about 2.5% of the physician workforce in this country are African American women. Less than 5% are African American in general.
Born in Nigeria, the oldest of 7, Dr. Oruwari arrived in the U.S. at age 11, propelled by parents who set high expectations.
There was no excuse not to do well in school. You can't say I didn't do well because I was black. I didn't do well because I was a girl. You had to do well.
But as a woman of color breaking into medicine, the path wasn't always smooth.
A lot of times it was difficult to see that light at the end because there were not a lot of people that looked like me that had, made it to the end. It opened my eye to...
Now, though, she's not only an associate fellow of the American College of Surgeons,
so there's lots of support out there.
She's an expert on the disparities of healthcare in both St. Louis and around the country.
You have to be able to talk to the patients.
And she's helping to shape the next generation of doctors.
So I always recommend those courses can be helpful.
Amidst her busy schedule, Dr. Oruwari finds purpose in mentoring.
Definitely make time to study.
Especially women of color.
I guess the standard image of a physician isn't someone that looks like us. So just seeing someone who looks like me sort of, motivates me.
When are you thinking about taking the MCATs?
Cameron Sample and Mahalet Fentaw are among the pre-med students shadowing Dr. Oruwari this year.
So knowing that there's another black woman out there that is willing to help you and is rooting for you and is encouraging you to pursue a career that people may say that you're not capable of achieving or doing, it's really empowering.
I try to do somewhat of fitness.
And as she aims to inspire the next generation of trailblazers, Dr. Oruwari is now also an author. For her book, Black Girls in White Coats, she contacted 59 other physicians who agreed to tell their story.
Looking at their stories or reading through their stories, you can tell that these are real people, real black girls that ended up in white coats.
Reshaping the narrative of what it means to be a healer.
Sometimes it's just really about someone encouraging you and saying, yes, you can do it.
Dr. Jovita Oruwari.
Being a doctor should not be all you are about.
Illuminating an avenue for future generations.
But make sure you have a lot of help and a lot of support.
And inspiring a new era of diversity in medicine.
Just knowing that I can make a little bit of a difference, that just brings me so much joy.